wake up. We will reach in a while. Don't you worry.
Where will we reach?
Every time you keep asking me the same question. And every time I keep saying the same thing.
I don't know who you are.
Do you know who you are?
I don't know. My name... Wait. My name... What is my name?
In previous life, you were Tamicheri. Before that, Catherine. And before that, you were Henry.
What? Wait. Who are you? And where are you taking me?
Didn't you recognize me? I'm the god. I am taking you for the next birth.
Next birth? Am I dead?
Yes, yesterday morning. You died at 8:30. And right now, insects are actually eating your body.
So now am I going to heaven or hell?
Only you have to decide.
Me?
These two are Prem and Usha. They both belong to a poor family in India and they are a very happy family. Would you like to go as their daughter in their family or else? This is Harry and Lucy. They are a wealthy family from England. But there is one thing. They hate each other a lot. Would you like to be their son? You will have a very bad childhood. Well though, but they are rich. And this third one is Mission Cabaret and Berenesina. They both belong to a tribal family of Africa. They don't know anything about the outside world and they are unaware of current technologies. So they don't have any issue with the money. Whatever they get, they are always happy. Will you go there as their daughter?
I have to decide where I want to be born.
You got to decide soon.
He is rich, but not very happy. And if one has happiness, then there is no money. And here there is happiness, but there is no happiness. I don't like anything. Are these three the only options I get? Is there nothing else?
There are so many options.
Oh no. How do I choose which one is the best in so many families? Tell me about everyone now.
I will tell you, but you will have to choose one family in 4 minutes. And how will I be able to tell you everything in 4 minutes?
How will I be able to choose the right family in 4 minutes? Whatever you have shown, there is something missing in every family.
There is shortcoming in everything. Look at me. I am God, right? But I have a crooked nose.
Okay. A family is rich but they do not have any happiness. And one family is happy but they don't have any money. And one family has everything but they live in some backward area of Africa whose life has no color. Whom do I choose now? Wait, wherever I am born, I'll come back here after dying, right?
Yes. You will have to come back here. After coming back, you will have to choose again.
Then why should I be born? I shall stay here.
Look around. There is nothing around. The people who decide to stay here, they also change their mind very soon. So you will have to decide and think that whatever you desire, all the things are there. Gold, diamonds, friends, lover.
But there is war, jealousy and poverty on the same earth, isn't it?
Why do you need to go looking for it? Which way you want to go, that is in your hand. All the people are born in the same way on earth, aren't they?
How is it the same? What you have shown are all different options, aren't they? Some are very rich, some are very poor and some are happy and some are very unhappy. How is it equal?
You know what? You have asked me this question for 30,089 times so far.
Have I asked this before also?
30,089 times.
Did I choose the right family last time?
Last time you took a wrong decision and chose a wrong family, and then your life became hell because of that. But before that, you always lived a life like heaven by taking right decisions.
How do I choose the right option now?
Everyone is born in the same way. Knowing this truth, you will be able to take right decisions.
Not everyone is born the same. Half the people are living in poverty and half the people are dying in war. Some people are born without eyes, without legs, without hands. How is it the same?
Now only 2 minutes are left.
The correct answer is nothing. No one seems to be getting the right answer, right? You should admit it yourself. No matter what family I choose, there is going to be some shortcoming. Everyone is not born with the same fate.
Okay. Suppose I ask you to spend 2000 rupees, will you be able to spend it wisely? Or will you keep some money from it and throw the rest of the money by doing your own arbitrariness? Tell me.
Does anyone ever throw money? I will spend every rupee on important things.
Then it is okay. Everyone is born in the same way.
No, don't repeat what you have said.
How many minutes are there in a day? Just tell me, daughter. How many minutes are there in a day?
There are 24 hours in a day. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Altogether, there are 1440 minutes.
I have given 14,040 minutes to every human. Am I right? Even if you are born in a poor family or born in a rich family, or you born in a tribal family, everyone gets only 1440 minutes, right? Even if you want to waste those minutes, they will not be wasted. You will go to hell with this. Or else, if you consider that as money and spend wisely, then you can spend your life the way you want. Now tell me, I have given birth everyone in the same way, right? After death, you will go to heaven or hell. You must have heard this, right?
Yes.
That too you will have to choose. After knowing this truth, if you choose the right family, then that family will be like a heaven to you. That's why, or if you choose the wrong family, then that family will be hell for you. You will write your own destiny. I'm sure you will take the right decision.
Wherever I am born, what will be my life? It is up to me how I spend that time. Wherever I take birth, I am going to get the same 1440 minutes. None of these is correct answer. There are all correct answers.
Time has come for your rebirth. Which family you have chosen?
Whatever happens, my life is going to be in my own hands. Now whatever family it is, God, I accept it.
If you accept the reality and live your life, then you can achieve whatever you desire.